today I'm gonna lift my daughter's eyelashes. I'm gonna show you the step-by-step procedure and how to do it at home. So first, nilalagay muna natin yung setting glue sa silicone rod. Nilagay ko na yung silicone rod sa kanyang mga mata. So, yung next step is to put the setting glue on top of the silicone rod para maiset na natin yung kanyang eyelashes. Leave it for like 30 seconds para mag-stick yung eyelashes. Pag medyo natuyo na siya. Tapos ko na siyang iset. Lalagyan na natin siya ngayon ng setting cream. Ilagay na natin yung firming cream and I should wait for 30 minutes to 45 minutes before I change the cream to fixation cream. It's the second part. You have to make sure to remove all the first cream that we put earlier. Remove everything by wiping it off. Close your eyes. Okay, and now it's time to put the fixation cream. This cream will make it last longer. Maybe it will take a month or two before the lashes go down again. And I'm going to remove those after 10 minutes. Tulog na si ate. Open your eyes. Antok pa.